Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 15 of our 30 days of yoga challenge. And today we are not going to do an asana practice, but we are going to do more of a self-study practice through journaling. Self-study, or swadhyaya in Sanskrit, is one of the niyamas in the yogic path. And because yoga is more than asana, or more than our physical yoga postures or poses, I thought it would be beneficial to us to do a journal prompt that helps us to reflect on how we've moved through this challenge so far. So go ahead and grab a pen and paper or your journal, or you can use the Notes app on your phone, and we will go ahead and get started. So first, let's reflect on our initial expectations for this challenge. What were you expecting to learn and to practice? Take a moment to write down your expectations. Next, think about any time that has felt challenging to you, and why did you think it was challenging? Next, think about any time during the challenge where you may have surprised yourself. What should you praise yourself for? What did you realize were your strengths during this practice? And last, I want you to write about how you feel in your body so far, and reflect on how you've felt mentally during and after your practice. And then a bonus for you is to set an intention for the rest of the challenge. And it can be an intention or an affirmation. Maybe your affirmation is as simple as, I can make it. I can get through to the end of this challenge. I am capable of getting through this challenge. I am capable of completing the practices that are coming up in this challenge. Think of an affirmation for yourself. And that's it for today. I want to thank you for joining me for this self-study practice. I hope that you learned a little bit more about yourself. And I will see you all tomorrow for day number 16 of our 30-day yoga challenge.